At DataMinds Academy, we are dedicated to empowering individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the ever-evolving IT industry. Our comprehensive training programs are designed to cater to both beginners and experienced professionals. Ensuring that every learner can achieve their career goals, our training programs. Full-stack developer, master front-end and back-end development to become a versatile full-stack developer. DevOps engineer, learn the principles and practices of DevOps to streamline software development and operations. Automation testing, gain expertise in automated testing tools and techniques to ensure software quality. Cloud engineer, understand cloud computing concepts and become proficient in cloud infrastructure and services. Big Data Hadoop, dive into the world of big data with Hadoop and learn to manage and analyze large datasets. Big Data Architect, develop the skills to design and implement big data solutions and architectures. Data Analytics, learn to analyze and interpret complex data to make informed business decisions. Cloud Architect, acquire the knowledge to design and manage cloud solutions and architectures. Machine Learning, explore the fundamentals and advanced techniques of machine learning to build intelligent systems. Data Science, master data science concepts and tools to extract valuable insights from data. Additional services, resume building, get expert guidance on creating a professional resume that stands out. Soft skill development, enhance your interpersonal skills to succeed in the workplace. Communication skills development, improve your communication abilities for better professional interactions. Placement support will be provided. At DataMinds Academy, we are committed to providing high-quality education and support to help you achieve your career aspirations. Join us and take the first step towards a successful future in the IT industry.